Hello, my name is Ben Alistair, and I'm the CEO of Infodream Limited. Infodream specializes in shop floor manufacturing software, and we've been operating for over 30 years. Our headquarters are in Europe, in France. We have 2 subsidiary companies in the US and the UK. Of course, we have customers all over the world. Our software is called the Qualaxy suite, and it is a modular MES system aimed at improving manufacturing quality and productivity through the use of Industry 4 technology. Our software is currently used by many prestigious companies across various sectors, including aerospace and defense, automotive, electronics, and life sciences. Qualaxy provides a paperless shop floor environment, and this has a lot of benefits, particularly for processes which have lots of manual activities. All paperwork, including process documentation, work instructions, inspection check sheets, are all digitized and presented to the operators in a very clear and organized way, and this really helps them to work more effectively. All process data is recorded, including measurements, traceability, and process actions, and this information is automatically analyzed in real time in SPC when appropriate. All data is reported in real time to the relevant people so that actions can be taken very quickly. The result of the system can be seen really quickly through reduced bad quality products, increased productivity, and a big saving in the back office activities associated with paper systems and manual analysis and reporting. The system is fully packaged, so it's quick and easy to deploy, and this results in a return of investment of only a few months. For further information, please visit our website, or you can contact myself directly on the email address shown. Thank you very much for your time.